Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm just going to show you a quick recap of what I did this weekend. So I had the opportunity to cook for this wonderful family for 2 nights here in West Palm Beach, Florida. The first night I made a savory grilled chicken bruschetta along with some baked salmon covered in a delicious sesame ginger soy sauce. And it was also served with garlic roasted mashed potatoes and a side of asparagus. Dessert was, as you can see, my favorite, strawberry cheesecake. On the second night, I made some roasted tomato flatbread for appetizer. The entree was amazing, surf and turf with coconut white rice and some steamed veggies. Look at these beautiful filet mignon steaks.
We are.
Alright, so this is a roasted tomato flatbread drizzled with balsamic glaze.
Yes.
That's good. Alright guys, so for dessert, the final course on the second night, I made a chocolate cake covered in white chocolate ganache. This was sweet, moist, and rich in flavor. The best chocolate cake ever. So this was a little glimpse of what I do as a personal chef. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.